On a large plot in the remote hills of Malibu overlooking a landscape of mountains in the Pacific Ocean, Francie Rehwald is building the home of her dreams.
Welcome.
It is perhaps the ultimate in recycling. Rehwald's raw material is a second-hand Boeing 747. And with the help of architect David Hertz, the concept is taking flight.
I imagine this floating roof that would not have a lot of columns and that would curve on its bottom and its top so it would open up to the view. And when I drew this section, it reminded me of an airplane wing, the section of an airfoil. And I thought about it and I said, why not use an airplane wing?
Rehwald was enthusiastic. The concept fit with her request for a sleek, curvilinear, and contemporary design that makes use of existing materials that might otherwise be left to rust.
I said, well, it's a really wild idea. Let's go find a plane and see what that would be like to use it as a roof and have it be a ceiling.
Hertz and Rehwald discovered hundreds of retired aircraft in a large junkyard in California's Mojave Desert, where they sell at the price of their principal raw material, aluminum. Rehwald bought her Boeing 747 for $35,000. The pair decided to use almost all of the plane by spreading its parts over 7 different structures, including a guest house.
That's going to be a really nice glass corner, all transparent.
The wings and tail stabilizers became the roofs of the 3-level main building, baptized the Wing House. For Hertz, whose company specializes in green buildings, the Wing House is an extreme example of sustainable reuse and appropriation.
The idea was, how do we use something that exists, that already had billions of dollars of research and development that went into creating the most efficient structure using the most judicious use of resources to achieve the highest strength and lightest weight. And so by reusing it, we're essentially short-circuiting it, we're upcycling it and repurposing rather than downcycling and just turning an airplane into an aluminum can, which is a lower use.
The Wing House will also incorporate solar power, radiant heating, and natural ventilation, as well as high-performance heat mirror glazing. Construction is scheduled to be completed before the end of the year, by which time Francie Rehwald will be strapped in and ready for takeoff. Kilmany Dukehart, Reuters.